Okay guys, this first example says show that the linear system has no solutions. Now remember, I can do that in two ways, right? I can do it algebraically and I can do it graphically. Alright, so I'm going to start. I'm trying to decide, guys, if I should do this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to divide the screen in half and I'm going to do it algebraically over here. Alright, algebraically, there we go. Alright, I'll do it graphically over here, which doesn't mean I'm going to graph it, but I'm considering its graphs, okay, graphically or algebraically. Okay, now let's see, this first one, I'm going to rewrite it over here, and I'm going to get 2x plus y is equal to 5, and then I've got 2x plus y is equal to -1. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this top one, and I'm going to multiply it by -1. Okay, so that's going to give me a new equation. Now I've got -2x minus y is equal to -5. Alright? So I'm not thinking about that top equation anymore. Now I'm thinking about these two right here. I'm going to draw my columns. And this is going to cancel and give me 0. This is going to cancel and give me 0. And when I put these two together, I'm going to get -6. So now I got 0 is equal to -6. That's not true. No solution. Okay? Now, what does that tell me? Well, let's come over here. I'm going to think about this thing graphically. Over to the left. Okay? And what does that tell me? Well, it tells me that they're parallel, but that they have different y-intercepts. If they were parallel and had the same y-intercept, then they'd have the same slope and intercept. They'd be the same line. They would coincide. Okay, so I'm going to look for the same slope but different y-intercepts. Alright, so I'm going to take this first equation, I'm going to put it right here. 2x plus y is equal to 5. If it will let me work here. Alright, 2x plus y is equal to 5. Alright, this other equation I'll write in green, so I got 2x plus y is equal to 1. And I'm going to consider their slope-intercept form. Alright, so subtract 2x, subtract 2x. I'm going to get y is equal to -2x plus 5. Alright, so the slope is -2/1. Now let's look at this green equation. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And I'm going to get y is equal to -2x plus 1. Okay, now their slopes are the same, which we said we expected, right? Their slopes are the same, -2/1. That means they're parallel or they coincide. And then when I look at their slope-intercept, their y-intercept, I see that they're different. So these are different lines, but parallel, no solution. All right, good job.